9 Homemade Cleaner Hacks. In today's fast-paced world, we're inundated with a never-ending array of cleaning products that promise to revolutionize our cleaning routines. Did you know that the average American spends about $42 a month on household cleaning products? While that might not seem like much at first glance, it adds up to over $500 a year. If you're looking to save some cash and still keep your home sparkling clean, these 9 homemade cleaner hacks are not only budget-friendly but also effective. So, let's dive into the world of DIY cleaners that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. 1. Homemade glass cleaner. Say goodbye to streaky windows and dull glass surfaces. This homemade glass cleaner will leave your windows sparkling. Here's how to whip it up. Ingredients: 1 part vinegar, 2 parts water, 1/2 teaspoon dish soap for every cup of water. Instructions: mix the vinegar and water in a spray bottle, then add the dish soap. Shake well to combine. Spray on glass surfaces and wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. Not only does this cleaner save you money, but it's also eco-friendly. 2. Antibacterial hand soap. Finding a quality hand soap that doesn't dry out your skin can be a challenge. With just a few ingredients, you can make your own antibacterial hand soap that's gentle on the hands. Ingredients: 1 foaming soap dispenser, 2 tablespoons unscented castile soap, 1 to 2 teaspoons fractionated coconut oil. Instructions: combine the castile soap and coconut oil in the foaming dispenser. Fill the rest with water, leaving some space at the top. Shake gently to mix, and enjoy the moisturizing benefits of your homemade soap. 3. AllNatural Homemade Floor Cleaner. Cleaning your floors doesn't have to be complicated. This all-natural floor cleaner uses simple household ingredients to leave your floors gleaming. Ingredients: 1 part water, 1 part white vinegar, 1 part 70% isopropyl, rubbing, alcohol, a few drops of liquid dish detergent, 1/4 part lemon juice. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a spray bottle and shake to combine. Use this solution to mop your floors, and you'll be amazed at the shine. 4. DIY upholstery and carpet cleaner. If you have pets or kids, this upholstery and carpet cleaner is a game changer. It tackles stains and eliminates odors effectively. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 3/4 cup of warm water, 1/2 tablespoon of dish liquid soap. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a bowl until well combined. Apply the solution to the stained area and scrub gently with a brush. Rinse with water and blot dry. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and unwanted smells. 5. Homemade deodorizing spray. For those sensitive to fragrances, this homemade deodorizing spray is a lifesaver. It's simple, effective, and can be customized to your scent preferences. Ingredients: 2 cups fabric softener, unscented, 2 cups baking soda, 4 cups of warm water. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a spray bottle and shake well. Use this spray to deodorize carpets, upholstery, or even your laundry. It's a natural way to keep your home smelling fresh. 6. Homemade laundry soap. Making your own laundry soap can be time-consuming but worth it. Here's a simple recipe that avoids baking soda and uses washing soda instead. Ingredients: bar of grated soap, 1 cup of washing soda, 1 cup of borax, 10 to 20 drops of lemon or lime extract. Instructions: mix the grated soap with washing soda and borax. Store in an airtight container. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to your laundry for a powerful, natural clean. 7. Homemade garbage disposal cleaner. Nothing ruins a clean kitchen like unpleasant odors from the garbage disposal. This fun and effective cleaner will banish those smells for good. Ingredients: 3/4 cup baking soda, 1/2 cup salt, 1/2 teaspoon liquid dish soap, 1 lemon. Instructions: mix the first 3 ingredients together. Grate the lemon peel into the mixture, then squeeze the lemon juice in. Mold the mixture into half-round shapes on parchment paper and let them dry overnight. Once dried, place them in a sealable container. Toss a tablet into the disposal whenever it needs freshening up. 8. Clean your washer. Is your washing machine smelling a little off? This simple solution will keep it fresh and clean, especially for front loaders prone to mold. Ingredients: 2 cups vinegar, 1/4 cup baking soda, 1/4 cup water. Instructions: pour the mixture directly into the drum of your washing machine and run a normal cycle at least twice. Use a brush or sponge to scrub the edges for a complete clean. 9. DIY dishwasher detergent. Finally, this DIY dishwasher detergent may surprise you with its effectiveness. It's simple to make and easy to use. Ingredients: 2 cups borax, 2 cups washing soda, 4 packets of sugar-free lemonade Kool-Aid. Instructions: mix all ingredients together and store in an airtight container. Use 1 tablespoon in the pre-wash and 1 tablespoon in the main wash for sparkling clean dishes. These 9 homemade cleaner hacks not only help you save money, but also allow you to reduce the number of chemicals in your home. Why spend money on expensive cleaning products when you can make effective solutions right at home? Give these hacks a try and transform your cleaning routine today. Remember, cleanliness doesn't have to break the bank, and with these simple recipes, you can enjoy a sparkling clean home without the hefty price tag. Happy cleaning! If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.